What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and I got a special co-host with me. Beautiful co-host, Miss River. And today, we're gonna make
chicken and waffles.
Alright, family, for today's chicken and waffles, we have all the ingredients laid out in front of you, and today is the day. I have my beautiful co-host, vegan seitan, Miss River.
Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and I'm so glad you are blind, my friend. So what is Vegan Kings up to this week? What is a vegan challenge? A vegan challenge is we are going to take something that you absolutely love and adore, and we're going to veganize it. And we're going to just turn you out. You'll never want to have chicken again without the blossom.
The banana blossoms.
You heard that? Banana blossom. Only a king would know that. So let's start our challenge. What do you have for us? What are these ingredients? What are we gonna do? How do we go about it? How do we even get started?
Alright, so for the Belgian waffles, guys, we have to mix our dry ingredients first. And we have everything here, which is on my Patreon account. So we're just gonna mix our dry first. Alright, guys, incorporate that all. You know, that's how you want to do it, all right?
So now, why is it important to mix the dry ingredients first? Why can't I just throw in the wet ingredients? Does it matter?
Yeah, you do, because we have to let this set for at least 5 minutes because we have a special ingredient, which you can find on my Patreon account.
So there's a science behind it, okay?
Right.
You just don't start throwing ingredients together. You have to follow the recipe. They're there for a reason.
Right. You know, because if you don't follow the ingredient, this is the thing about, you know, making the perfect Belgian waffles.
Perfect. I love perfection since I'm not.
I know. She's an angel. Stop it.
A vegan angel, mind you. Not many of us around.
If you are receiving any value from my recipe videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Alright, family, so my beautiful co-host, Miss River, is gonna mix our plant-based milk with our sugar and our egg substitute to make this beautiful Belgian waffle.
Now I want everyone to remember, first of all, at the beginning of the show, he said host, not chef. So I'm about to make a mess, and I do not want Instagram, don't DM me. I already know. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour
This is a cooking show. We could do what we want.
Oh,
you did.
That was to perfection. We did say perfect Belgian waffles.
Right.
Okay, now let's try it here.
Perfect. Look at that. Guys, tell me she's not incredible.
Perfect in my life. Who knew I can get so excited about levels?
She's incredible, guys.
So what's next? We got our ingredients mixed up.
We're gonna let this rest for about 5 minutes.
Oh,
because
okay.
like I said, we got that secret ingredient, which you can find on my Patreon account. While we let our ingredients rest, we're gonna season our banana blossoms so we can start that fried chicken.
Ooh, now what exactly is a banana blossom?
Alright, family, so banana blossoms, right, is a purple, beautiful flower that grows on the bunch of the banana. Alright, guys, so my co-host River, this is her first time trying banana blossoms, guys, and this is what it looks like. And so how do you feel about it?
Well, actually, you know what? I just remembered this will be my second time trying it. You made it for me the first time, and you had me at banana. Let's be clear, okay? So this is very exciting for me to see the process behind that creation you did for me, which was absolutely amazing. My palate is, I don't even want to say what it's doing right now. However, let's get back to the banana blossom. This looks like an artichoke to me. Explain this.
All right, so these are the bunches from the banana tree. It's a flower.
Where does this grow at?
So this grows under the bananas, it's with the bunches, you know, like it's
so anywhere where bananas grow, you can find this?
Yes. It's a purple flower. That's exactly, like, it's purple. You can't, all you gotta do is Google banana blossoms and you guys will see what it looks like.
I'm very excited. I am just anxious to see how do we turn this into such a creation. So what's the first thing we do?
All right, so the first thing you want to do for this delicious banana blossoms, we're gonna season, all right?
Dare ask you what's in that seasoning, or is that a secret?
You can find it on my Patreon account, guys.
Listen, don't leave the show just yet, but you definitely want this seasoning, okay? Okay, tell us what to do.
What we're gonna do is just grab some, right, and just put it everywhere.
It smells so good.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
Thank you. This is a vegan seasoning that I use that goes very well.
This is $1 million seasoning. This smells amazing. I feel like I can put this on almost anything.
Right, yeah.
I do. This seasoning, let me tell you something. Oh, smells really good.
Squeeze, like I showed you guys before. So
oh, look at that juice coming out.
Yeah, you see all that delicious brine. This is the brine from the can, all right? So you just squeeze it.
Oh, look at that. Oh,
see that,
just
guys?
Squeeze it.
Yeah, just squeeze it.
Ooh,
so
it's
you
right
give it
out.
a try.
Oh. Okay. So just oh, look at that. Okay.
Squeeze it.
So how much pressure do I apply without breaking it?
Not too much.
Okay. Because I noticed I brought it a little break.
Yeah,
is that okay? Okay.
Yeah, you just flatten it like this.
So you just got to be gentle with it. Yes, and just squeeze it nicely.
So give it another try. Do another one.
Do another one? Okay. Okay. I usually don't do one in the night, but okay. 2, I'm going to... Okay, here we go. Squeezing gently.
Yeah, squeezing gently. Right, you know.
Okay. Do another one? Oh, wow, my goodness. Here we go. How's that?
Yeah, a little bit like...
A little more?
The reason I'm doing this is because when you put it in the batter, it's going to resemble like a piece of...
Okay, so we want it to spread out.
Right, like that. You see, like...
Oh, so we really want that to spread out to look like that.
We're going to squeeze it.
Oh, that's a beautiful piece right there.
Right.
Oh, I love that.
Because then when you put the flour mix...
That piece is perfect.
It's going to look like a piece of thigh or something like that. But it's actually banana blossoms, guys. Very simple. All right?
Who knew banana had thighs? Okay, I love it.
All right, so Miss River, we're going to marinate these banana blossoms for about 5 to 10 minutes. Or it's up to you guys. Just put it to the side and let it marinate so the seasoning can lock in.
Now we're marinating that in the secret ingredient that you can only get from where again?
Patreon.com.
I love it.
All right, family. So now we're going to mix our dry and wet mix together, guys, and my co-host is gonna help me out, right?
Oh, I'm excited.
So make a whale, guys, and while I'm making a whale,
so now how big or small does that hole have to be?
It doesn't have to be
tight one
big.
Or can it just be spread out?
It could be spread out.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. As long as it's a little whale like in the middle, you're just gonna add all your wet ingredients and we're gonna mix.
Okay, inside of one hole.
Right.
All the wet. Gotcha. So I have been given honor, please. Let me know if I should go faster or slower. Just tell me how you like it.
Let me just
throw it all up in there. Okay, whisk it out.
Okay,
fine.
Throw it all in there.
Okay, just sit there. You want to get that out too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gonna whisk that all in. Well, you could.
So can you just dump it? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Yeah,
Do
you
just
could dump some of that in there so we could take that out.
Okay.
Just whisk that up a little bit. Wonderful co-host here. She's helping me. Look at that.
So I could just dump it?
Yeah, you could just
no
dump
pour
that,
slow, no fast. Got it. Just dump?
Yeah, just dump it right in, guys.
Nice. Especially when you're in a hurry, you can just get it moving along. And then I can dump this as well?
Right.
Okay.
All right, family. So now we're going to mix our flour mixture with our wet. Alright, family, so for today's banana blossoms, we're gonna begin to add our flour mix so we could start to fry. Alright, guys, it's very easy. Miss River is gonna help me out with this today.
So should I just pick one up and dump it in the flour?
Yeah, like just like if you was home.
My banana blossoms bring all the boys to the yard. I love this. So should can I just coat it?
Yeah, you just coat it, and I like to squeeze it, right? So
all the more squeezing.
Right, the juices could come out.
Okay.
So it could adhere nicely.
See how you just do that so professionally? Okay,
look at that.
I
You
love
just
that.
shake it off. See?
Oh, look at that. Oh my God.
Just like that. And
you know what that looks like? It looks like one of those gloves without the mint.
Right.
You know, they cut the finger parts off.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, that's so cool.
So this is what I do.
Like a chicken foot.
Right. Like a piece of thigh or something. Like
right.
A vegan
yes.
chicken thigh.
But the food that we were meant to eat is a banana blossom.
Right.
You know, it's wonderful.
So like that, you put it in the fryer.
Give it a good shake.
What you about to do, Miss River?
Me and my banana are about to feel the heat.
So Miss River, what made you become vegan?
In order to understand where and how I became vegan, you have to first be a spiritual level. Because I was on that level and I didn't even know it. One day I was sitting down, and this is a true story, you know, and it even amazes me. And I even question, is it believable? So I was sitting down one day on the sofa and I wanted to watch something on Netflix. And I had absolutely no idea what to watch. And it was as clear as day. Something said, watch that. And I'm like, watch what? When I looked up the documentary, What the Health was highlighting. So I said, you know what? Okay. And I turned it on. And halfway through that documentary, I became vegan.
Wow.
I called my mom, I called my sister, and I'm like, we gotta all go vegan. And they did start the journey with me. They did, but I continued it because I became not just a believer in food should be plants, but that animals are truly, truly friends and not food.
Right.
And that's what kept me on the journey. Now, I'm not perfect. The first year, I did cheat. I cheated with fresh mozzarella cheese 3 times. It was a fabulous pizza place over in Woodbridge, and I really loved their pizza. It was a margherita pizza, but it was that fresh mozzarella cheese that I just couldn't let go of. I now know that there's a chemical inside cheese that make you addictive, and so I was addicted to cheese, pretty much. And then the third go around of having cheating throughout my vegan journey, I got very sick from eating that cheese. I pulled over on the side of the road, I threw that pizza in the garbage, and I swore I was never gonna go back. And that's when I really developed a love more for animals than my health.
All right, that was an awesome story, guys. I look forward to hearing more stories from you, Miss River. It's amazing.
I only got one.
It's amazing to hear vegan stories.
It is, isn't it?
What our struggles used to be.
Yes.
You know. So now, are you ready to try this vegan banana blossom?
I was ready when you first told me banana.
Come on, guys.
So I am going to
here it is.
Dip it. Maybe can I dip it in like a little like an appetizer?
I mean, go ahead. Yeah,
that's barbecue sauce, and then that's a little ketchup. Yeah. And I'm gonna take it.
Hear that crunch,
oh my God, I hear it. Yes, it's like music to my ears. I'm gonna dip it in a little barbecue sauce. It's like a appetizer right before the main course. I almost didn't want to take the fork out of my mouth.
Did you hear the crunch, guys? That's crazy.
More people have got to learn about the banana blossom.
Right.
This is, you know what? And I would never
grab
fake.
It with your hands. Just grab it.
Okay, thank
grab
you.
It with your hands.
Let's
grab
try
it with
that.
your hands and just dip it in there.
There we go. You can twirl it.
Right.
Yeah. Oh my God. I would never fake a vegan experience, trust me. This is real. Oh my God. I'm a vegan and I never really heard about banana blossoms until you.
Yeah, well, you know, a lot of people use it to make fish, but I like to mimic chicken, guys, because to me it has that tear, right? So if we cut it, right? If we cut it, right?
But don't eat it. That's mine.
You can see the tear, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at how beautiful that looks. Right here. Try that one. Right there. Dip that.
I cannot wait to try this on the waffle.
It's gonna be so good, guys.
This is like, who knew a banana produced? This is a real harvest of a banana.
Yeah, it's great. It's a flower. Yeah, people.
But who knew?
Yeah.
Who knew?
Whoever just started doing it, shout out to them, you know.
Shout out to them.
Yeah, it's incredible.
Yeah, this is amazing. This is the food that we're supposed to be eating.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the real deal.
Yeah. See that, guys? It's delicious, incredible, guys. You guys have to try. All right, so now we're gonna prepare waffles so we could play.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, family, so now we're gonna add our mixture to our waffle machine, right? So we're just gonna pour it on. Gotta go very fast, guys.
Now I'm going to pour the rest of this in a waffle maker, and this is like real work. And apparently my friend doesn't know that I truly don't like real work, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Let's see what we have here.
Perfect, guys. Look at that.
Look at that. We said it was going to be the perfect Belgian waffle.
So now it's time to bake, right?
Close the coffin lid. The vegan slaughterhouse. This is how we cook our animal products. We don't.
I say about 3 minutes.
3 minutes. That's about right.
All right, family, so it's finally ready, and Miss River, my beautiful co-host, is gonna be the first one to dig into this dish, guys. All right, so come on, let's go.
I am very excited. But first, can I ask a quick question? What is the green stuff? Is that parsley?
All right, so that is parsley, guys. The reason I put the parsley is because parsley breaks down gluten, guys. So it's an enzyme. It's very good to add, you know, as some decor, but it's also beneficial for your gut. And the strawberries as well is enzymes.
Okay, now let's get our enzymes broken down.
Good, guys. Wow. Try some of that whipped cream. So this is coconut whipped cream, guys. It's gonna be so delicious. So
well, let's see.
There goes the bite, right?
It tastes like ice cream on a summer sunny day.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah, it's the whipped cream. I think it's the coconut and the whipped cream. So how's the banana blossoms?
It just all comes together very lovely.
Right? And you don't even taste the parsley. It's
no, not at all. It comes together very lovely. It's like the perfect couple. Wow, this is amazing. Flavor, very good.
Yeah.
Yeah. When you turn off the camera, I'm just gonna fold it up and just jab it in my mouth. But I'll save that for behind the scenes.
Right, you guys can't see that, guys. You know, we can't do that to our vegan angel. All right, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and we will both see you next week. Peace.
Peace.